Okay, there are three ways you can define surplus. Number one, the definition is quantity supplied greater than quantity demanded. We call this surplus. Or if the market price greater than equilibrium price, you see 2.5 is greater than 2. We call this situation in the market is surplus. Or the area above the equilibrium point here between the curves here. Under the price line, above the equilibrium, we call this surplus, right? These are the 3 points. So 3 ways you can define surplus or excess supply. Understand?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Let's move forward. Now, naturally, the second one is shortage, which is the opposite of surplus, which means if quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied, we call this shortage or excess demand, which means we in the market demand is more and suppliers are supplying less in the market, right? So 3 ways we can also, if you read it, when price less than equilibrium price, then the quantity demanded greater than quantity supplied. So this can be answered through 3 steps that we discuss in our supply. So let's just discuss here. So this is the equilibrium right now. So what is the excess demand? If the price is less than the equilibrium price here, equilibrium price is which equates quantity demanded and quantity supplied. So this is quantity equilibrium and this is equilibrium, price. If the market price right now is 1.5, on 1.5, demand is on the demand curve. So this one, the demand is downward sloping. So this is the demand. Demand is 10, right? And how much is the quantity supplied? Quantity supplied is here on supply curve here. See? Demand is greater than supply, so we call this shortage or excess demand. So we have one definition here. When the quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied, we have shortage situation or excess demand situation. Second definition, when the equilibrium price is greater than market price, or when the market price is less than equilibrium price, one and the same thing, right? Third, the area under the equilibrium above the price line. Price line is 1.5. Area above the price line, but under the demand and supply intersection. So this area is not the shortage. Shortage is only this triangle area. Okay, so 3 ways we can define shortage or excess. Number 1, if quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. Number 2, if market price is less than equilibrium price. 3, area under equilibrium. But remember this one, above the price line. So this is the price line right now. Area above the price line under the both curve. So this triangle. So not like that, all the area here and here, no. Because this one is market didn't reach here. Market is just right 1.5 price. Any question?
No.
Okay, now why I am, so did you notice something? I am continuously saying market, 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 market equilibrium, market price. Why I am saying market? Because this is the market. This is the market. So this is supply and this is demand. How we show graphically what a market looks like when sellers are supplying in the market up to the point where buyers want to buy that product. So if I ask you to draw the market, so this is the market. This is the price, this is the quantity. When buyers meet the supplier and agree on a price to have a transaction. So this is the interaction of buyers and suppliers in the market, so that buyers are producing exactly the same amount of goods that required by the buyers. So that's why on equilibrium, quantity supplied is equal to quantity demanded. So in that case, both buyer and supplier look at the price. For supplier, if supplier see that the price is justifiable, I can produce this product on this and under this price and sell it at this one, I can have a profit, then I stay in the market. Otherwise, I close the business, shut my factory down and go out. Buyers, they see the market price. If the market price is acceptable, they will buy the product. Otherwise, they will, either their ability will create problem or either their willingness will create problem. So at this point, buyer's willingness and ability both equal to buy the product. Understand? So that's why I'm saying market price, market quantity, right? So from now on, if I write down Q, automatically assume that I'm talking about the QE. If I write down price, automatically assume that I'm talking about equilibrium price. Otherwise, book and text and all other things mention that if we talk about quantity demanded, there must be a D small here. Quantity supplied, there must be small s here. Understand? If nothing, we are talking about markets in equilibrium. And what does it mean by equilibrium? Quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. Everyone understand that? Lancelot, Om, Marco, Oliver, Venetia. Good, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
you understand all this stuff. So please draw this individual class activity and send it to me. You have 10 minutes to do that. Don't forget to write your name and student ID on a paper. Please be very clear and be very neat so that I understand what's going on. And also I do understand that we are on the same page, right? So draw it and then answer the following questions. I would be going to the next slide and I would be asking questions. So those who are watching online, please pause the video and draw the curves. And after that, play the video to find out the question and answers for the next slide. So I'm going to pause the video here for 10 minutes. Okay, welcome back after the activity here. So please refer to your activity and answer this question. At price equal to 16, there is shortage because equilibrium quantity demanded is, what is ABCD? So at 16, you see quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. So there is a shortage, yes. And quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. Look at your question 2. At 20, you see quantity demanded is less than quantity supplied, which means quantity demanded is less than quantity supplied, which is answer A. So just pause the video and read the question by yourself. We don't have much time, so I'm just wrapping it up. So please send me the pictures. Some of you already send the picture here. Okay. So here we go. So this is just the your book question in which we have quantity demanded and we have quantity supplied here, right? So all we need to do, draw a graph and find out if the actual price is above the equilibrium price. Remember, that is the case of if actual price or market price is greater than the equilibrium price, we have surplus. If market price is less than the equilibrium price, we have shortage. All you need to find, draw the graph, same like that, and we need to find how much is the shortage, how much is the surplus, right? So I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, I think we need more time here. Okay, we are going to end our discussion here. So this is just a outer class activity for you guys. I would prefer if you do this example in the time left. So please do not forget to send me individually. So today we have done one group activity, two individual activity. One is before that we just finished and one is this example. So please solve this and send the picture to me. So here, if you see here, I'm just going to give you a hint. 6 is the equilibrium price and 81 is the equilibrium quantity. So if we don't have any question, then we are going to end our discussion here. And all you need to do after this class, right after this class, solve this question. Take a picture and we are going to end our class here right now. So if no more question, then just do this example here, right?
When is the delay of this assignment, sir?
This is not the assignment. This is classwork. Right now, after this, when I leave here, you need to do this and submit it right now. This is class activity, not the assignment, okay? Because next concept is a little bit more and it would take us for more like 30 minutes. So we only have 5 minutes. So it's better to stick here and do this example. And in next class, we try to finish this chapter. Okay, everyone?
Okay. So we have to submit it by the end of the day or
Right now, within
right
10
now?
minutes. Okay. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm gonna end our discussion here. See you next week, and we will be discussing law of demand and supply together. So take a picture and send this solution to me right now after this class. We have time. Okay?
We send it in your personal chat or in the group?
This is classwork. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.